What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. This time we are on TikTok once again, and I will be showing you how you could link your social media onto your TikTok. Now, in my opinion, they have made it incredibly easy for you to do this, and it's also an incredibly sleek design compared to other social medias where you just have to put a blatant link there. TikTok, as you will see, made it super nice and integrated into their system. And for right now, it's only allowing you to link your Instagram or your YouTube account to your TikTok, which is a bit unfortunate, but those are the primary social media platforms anyway, so it should be nice to still have it on your profile anyway. So I just launched my TikTok app here, and I was just on the home page, and if you hit your profile button in the bottom right hand corner there, it'll take you on over to your profile, and then from here you will hit the edit profile button in the center of the screen there. And it will take you to this menu here with a bunch of settings on your profile, and all the way towards the bottom there you can see the headline for socials with the two options of Instagram and YouTube. I've already linked it for this account, so there's not much I can show you from here, but if you do click on it, you could unlink or add another link, but it's super simple. All you have to do is just type in your username or type in the link to get to your social media, and it will directly save from there, and you can just back out and you will see on your profile that there are two designated buttons right there. Nice and easy for your followers to just click on and be able to go to any of your other socials. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do this, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.